Mustang coupe.
It's got the trim underneath, but this is the problem I have with it. It's got these big honking rims on it that somebody put on it. Some people like that look. I don't like it, the oversized rims like that. And the biggest problem I have with it, you know, the interior is gorgeous. It's not my big problem. It's an automatic. You guys know I don't want an automatic. Doors look good. Overall body is in good shape. Is that a scratch? No, that's bird poop. This rim. Look at the size of this rim. I'm like, I know they touch. I know they touch. They're telling me they don't touch, but when I put my fingers in right here, I barely fit them. My knuckles are touching the tire and they're touching the fender. And look at the wear on the tires. See that? See these cut marks right here? That's an indicator that when you're turning this thing or hitting a bump, this thing's hitting. And if this hits, that's about $1,200. Nah, it's probably more. $1,200 for rims, another $600 for tires. So I'm adding $1,800 to this car. And I think they're going to be just looking for some teenager that loves it. Dad, please buy it for me. He buys it. Dad replaces the rims and tires later when the son cuts up the tires. That's my story on a car like this. But I like it. I like this body style a lot. Would I like it to be the newest one? Of course. The third. You know, I'd like to talk to you about the new Mustang. Mark thinks I'm crazy when I say that, but anything's possible.
Yeah.
Anything's possible.
Need to loot for something.
Yeah, it would be nice to have this. Yeah. Well, it is. I mean, it's a clean car, but I'm gonna baseline them, guys. They're asking 13 and change for this, almost $14,000. I'm gonna offer him 10 grand. He's probably gonna kick me out of my pants, and guess what? I'm okay with that. One, because I don't want to deal with these rims and tires. That was not a good call. Also, you can see that they custom painted the blue paint on the calipers. See how it's chipping off? They didn't use the right paint, and they didn't prep it right. So this person decided to paint the calipers blue. But he put some money into these tires and rims, but they're just too damn big. I know some of you disagree with me, but it's the way I feel about it. Interior is very clean, and this has got 60,000 miles and change on it. So it's a clean Mustang.